inspired by the desert rose. The desert rose is a unique rock formation that can be found in the Qatari desert. Qatar today is one of...
When was Qatar founded?
Qatar Foundation was established in the year 1995.
Next is the Museum of Islamic Art, which showcases Islamic art throughout world history. This is one of the most And my last recommendation are the Musharraf museums. These explore